Yeah, hi dear all Espresso TV watchers, dear fans, everybody, hi. And yeah, my name is Marcus, you know me, and we are now near Venezia, Venice. And here is my favorite coffee grinder company, manufacturer. It's MAZZER, you see here. It's a family-owned company, and yeah. We have now Monday morning, super nice weather in May 2022, and so let's go in. Yeah. Ciao Luca.
Ciao.
Wow. Yeah, super geht's mir. Excellent, excellent. Yeah. Wow, wow.
Ciao Pim. Welcome.
Yeah, welcome here. That's the history.
Yes, that is a grinder that we were actually in the 60s.
Wow, wow. Super nice design. And the glass hopper, wow.
Yes, yes.
From Murano.
Not from Murano, but
yeah. Okay. Wow, nice, super nice. Yeah, that's the beginning, but now we are looking to the present moment of development.
Yeah, good.
Wow. How did you survive pandemic? Was it okay, or?
Pandemic was not affecting too much our business. Okay.
Yeah.
Some of us had the virus or the COVID here and there, but then actually we didn't stop production. Okay, so we were able to continue. Okay.
Wonderful.
It was just 20 days in 2020 that we stopped the production, but nowadays since May 2020 we are regularly manufacturing.
And here's the super nice showroom.
Thank you.
Wow. Amazing, amazing. Later on we take a coffee over there.
Okay.
But now I'm interested in the new product, this small hand grinder, Omega.
Okay.
How did it come that you want to make a hand grinder? What was the idea for camping people or mountain climbers or?
The idea was to allow people who were traveling, camping, or enjoying in the, let's say, free time, flight site, to prepare a proper coffee, might be an espresso or a filter coffee, and allowing them by using our hand grinder Omega everywhere they go.
Cool.
So the MAZZER Omega is the first hand grinder manufactured in our company. It's totally, completely manufactured, made of stainless steel, anodized aluminum, fiber carbon to keep it as light as possible. Yes. And the blades are made by us, of course, made of stainless steel. So what is special in this grinder? I would say, first of all, the control. So this is the lever. Everything is, we put magnets to keep it connected to the grinder.
Very nice.
Even when you store it in your kitchen. So the grinder. What is interesting? Everything magnet. Is the adjustment. The adjustment on our grinders you need to remove the bottom container to adjust it. When you need to adjust the grinder, you need to remove the bottom and adjust it from here. In our case, the adjustment is from the upper part of the grinder. So on this adjustment, so we go from very fine, where the blades touch themselves, very close to zero, This is zero, and this is the adjustment, and then we go
back to 4 or 5.
See, for example, we see that is all the instructions are inside. Which is the adjustment.
Yeah, that's the packaging.
That's the packaging that you can open it. And see that we see the adjustment guide for Omega. And saying that, for example, when you prepare an espresso, you have to set the grinder between 4 and 5 and 6. Sorry. So this is the sign, the index, so let's adjust it, on number 5, or I would say 5, So on 5. So it's just enough to rotate this adjustment collar, this ring, to adjust the grinder. Then we put
beans inside.
Up to 60 grams. This is part of an accessory that we will see. Okay. Smell the aroma, Marcus.
Wow, nice.
Okay.
Let me also try.
Yeah, please.
Cool.
Please.
Wow.
Please.
So we have two versions of this. This one goes really easy.
Yes, of the version you mean?
Yeah.
We developed two different size set of, not size because the size is the same. Different, let's say, style of burst. One we call fast, one we call soft. Now we are using the soft.
Because it needs almost no power.
Exactly, you need less strength to turn it around. Vice versa, the other side of the coin. You need to turn it more times, But it's very pleasant.
Okay, so, wow. I think now it's almost done. Yeah, okay. Now it's done.
Okay, you're done. Okay, remove that if you want. Okay, and then all your grinds are here. Okay.
Oh, nice. What do you think? It's enough for one espresso? Or?
I didn't measure it, but we checked. Here is 7 grams, 14 grams.
Okay. So shall we try at the machine?
Why not?
That's now experiment, okay?
Why not? Okay.
Of course, normally we should have
weighed the
coffee.
That one, for it is, I think it's...
that's the single. Or you think it's more than one?
Oh, I think so. This is a double dose.
Okay. Cool. Which Marzocco do we have here?
Sorry.
Which machine?
This is a Marzocco machine, KB90.
Yeah.
It's the model. It's a commercial machine. But of course, if we want to check how coffee gets out.
Super. Okay. Now.
So it's the same size. You can put it because
like this.
Keeping in mind this. Maybe it's slightly less than 14 grams, but it should be about.
But still we try.
Yeah, of course.
And here we have our temper, the tea temper, the new one. Okay, so let's experiment, That's now absolutely new. Yeah, not enough.
We need a little bit to go finer.
Yeah, two course.
Yeah. We need to go finer.
Yeah, okay. So that's under extraction. Under extraction,
you can see also from the color.
Yeah, so we go maybe to a 4.
Yes, we try.
Yeah, okay, cool. Super. That's really experiential.
You can do it on your own.
Yeah. So
go at least go 4.
4. So here is the 5. Now I go to here. 4.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Put this one.
Perfect.
That's for.
Good. All of them.
Yeah. All of them. Yeah. Okay.
You need to.
Yeah. Otherwise we make a mess. That only happens once. Okay, super. Here. Yeah, super. That's nice. So in this case the fast would be better.
See, but you need more strength to
okay. You mean this one is the female version and
No, actually the version with soft reaction, I say,
Yeah.
what we call soft burst, are what we sell more.
okay. Wow, yeah. That's really good fitness training.
That's it.
Yeah, I think almost done. Wow. And the beans do not get in contact with aluminium, right?
No.
Yeah, yeah.
Everything is, we are selling this in USA as well, so
Yeah.
everything is sanitation.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, of course,
Cool. Wow, yeah.
there will be any declaration
Yeah.
regarding safer food.
Yeah,
But,
and of course, when we grind finer, it needs a longer time.
yes, of course.
So this is why.
That's why I said it's better.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
go.
yeah, yeah.
Especially if you think that your customers, Marcus,
Yeah.
will use it for preparing espresso.
Yeah.
You could choose the soft.
Nice.
Okay.
So, and here?
Then we see how.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Let's
Nice,
see if we
nice.
are in the
Yeah, let's see.
espresso.
Yeah, mode or not.
Yes, exactly.
Insert. I think it's 4.5, huh? Yeah, yeah. Now we did over extraction, too fine. Here we go from 4 back to 4.5. Like this for a double?
Maybe too much.
Too much, yeah. A little bit less. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Cool. Yep. Okay. So now again. Yeah, wow, done.
That's it.
Okay, now let's see. Yeah, better. 4.5. So now here the coffee powder. Yeah. And now we will see with 4.5. How does it work?
Maybe the first one was not bad.
Yeah.
We needed some more beans. Maybe
Okay, yeah.
the dosage was not right.
Okay.
Great.
Yeah, super.
Close shot.
4.5, 4.5, mamma mia. It's really not so easy, but
At the third attempt, without using the grinder, okay.
third attempt, wow.
Yeah.
So always have 3 attempts. Ah, nice, huh?
Okay.
Nice,
That's a good shot.
Good,
Marcus.
good,
That's
wow, wow.
That's a good shot.
Really amazing.
Congratulations.
Amazing, huh?
Very good.
3 attempts and got it.
See how it is easy to clean. We have seen how
Yes,
to use it.
yes.
Okay? So from this position, once you have finished and you want to clean it, okay?
Yeah,
Just remove the knob, okay? You don't need it, okay? Remove the grinds container, okay?
yeah,
Put the lever in his position, okay, here, okay?
yes.
And then just turn this anti-clockwise until you remove all the parts.
Oh.
So,
Super easy, wow.
those are the parts. The only tiny parts you have to take care is this small pin that don't have to lose it, okay, because it stops the male blade on the shaft.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
once in position, okay, but we will see how easy it is to disassemble and to clean it, okay. So take
the brush.
Okay. We see that everything is very easy to clean.
Wow, super.
Okay.
So no retention.
No retention at all, because you have seen there is almost nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Once you want to put it back, it is very easy. Okay.
Which part first?
This part first. Okay. We also have available some tutorial video. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you put the shaft. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Then you put the washer.
Yeah.
The washer. Then the spring. Then the male blade. Okay.
Yeah.
And male blade is to align this slot where you put this small pin.
And inserting the pin seems to be also quite easy.
See, because you see it's the parts have been machined to allow the pin to get in. Okay.
Super. And now fix it.
Fix it. Okay. This is the blade. The soft blade has already been used for some demo. Okay.
Yeah.
You can see soft. Okay. And they are of course manufactured by MAZZER. To close it, you just need to. And what is interesting is that once you clean it, you don't lose your setting.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, and
so
important. We still have the
4.5 setting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now goes to 4.4.
Okay, if you want. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
We haven't lost it. Okay. Let's
super.
Close it perfectly. Okay. Done.
Super nice, wow.
So, as you have seen, it's very easy to clean it. Okay.
Yeah, and also here the rubber is very helpful, really.
Also you can open it if you want to clean it better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
This is made of steel to attract the magnet. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh. So that's a really super precision hand grinder, where it's even possible to work with a professional machine.
Of course, of course.
And this was now really premiere,
Of course.
first time.
Of course. So this is how the grinder is shipped. Okay.
Yes.
Carton box. Okay. And then, okay, of course, there are a couple of rubber bracelets, okay, which help the home barista, to grab the grinder and to keep it more tight when you are using the lever grinding. Okay.
Cool. So for me,
can you use or no? Depends.
Yeah. For me, the grip is very nice.
I imagine there are some people who have sometimes the
sweaty hands,
to keep it tight as much as possible.
Okay, yeah, and it's written really easy, so everybody can understand it, in my opinion. So here you have espresso, mocha, filter, French press.
Of course, I suggested that it might vary coffee that you use.
Yeah. And ibrik, is it Turkish or
something? Yeah, it's a brewing method. Okay, very similar to.
Okay. Yeah. So we see here we are in the 4.4.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Super cool. Wow, I like this grinder very much. It's super nice designed, and yeah, it's my first hand grinder I've really tested. Okay, I know this Kino grinder. I've done a little bit with this, but for me this one is the better solution.
It's something, I mean, we put the same care of this grinder, same care that we use or we put when we are manufacturing a commercial grinder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really cool. Wow. Super.
Okay. Good.
Luca, so I think now we go to the Mini.
Okay, with pleasure.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move.
Super nice.